Hello student, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the topic trigonometric identity. We know that an equation involving t ratio of an angle is known as t identity. Mainly three identity are sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a, and cot square a plus 1 equal to cosec square a. Dear students, your first question of exercise 8.4 is express the t ratio sin a, sec a and tan a in term of cot a. Using this identity, convert sin a to cot a, sec a to cot a, and tan a to cot a. We know that your first identity is sin a square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square a. Therefore, sin a equal to under root 1 minus cos square a, or 1 minus cos square a is cos square a equal to 1 by sec square a. 1 is written as 1 by 1. So LCM 1 and sec square a is sec square a, and here sec square a minus 1 is equal to identity 2. Sec square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. Sec square a equal to 1 plus tan square a minus 1 by sec square a. 1 cancel is equal to tan square a by sec square a. Dear students, we know that tan square a equal to under root tan square a root. So root tan square a equal to tan a, and root sec square a equal to sec a, and tan a equal to 1 by cot a, and sec a equal to sec square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. So sec a equal to under root 1 plus tan square a. So sec a equal to 1 plus tan square a, that is 1 by cot a by under root 1 plus tan square equal to 1 by cot square a. So 1 by cot a by LCM. So cot square a plus 1 by cot square a under root, and cot a, so 1 by cot a into cot square a plus 1 by cot square a under root. So root under a cot square a equal to cot a. So cot a cancel. So 1 by cot square a plus 1. This is your answer. Convert sin a to cot a, and sec a is equal to now sec a. Second, convert sec a to cot a. We know that Second identity, sec, we know that sec square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. So sec a equal to under root 1 plus tan square a, and 1 plus tan square a equal to 1 by 1, tan square a equal to 1 by cot square a, LCM cot square a plus cot square a plus 1 by cot square a. So root change by cot a. So sec a equal to under root cot square a plus 1 by cot a, and tan a equal to reciprocal of cot a. So dear friends, in same way question number 2 you solve itself. Your question 2 is find T ratio, find all T ratio of angle A in term of sec A. Just here in question 1 convert to sin to cot A, sec to cot A, and tan A to cot A. In question 2 sin A to sec A, cos A to sec A, tan A to sec A, cos A to sec A. And your question 3rd is evaluate. And question 3rd, evaluate sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Dear friends, sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree equal to 90 minus 63. Here says 27 equal to 90 minus 63 by cos square 90 degree minus 73 degree. 17 equal to 90 degree minus 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. So sin square 63 degree plus sin square 90 minus theta cos square 63 degree. Since sin square theta plus cos theta equal to 1 and sin 90 minus a equal to cos a. Same way cos 90 minus 73 equal to sin. So sin 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and then denominator sin square 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree equal to 1. So your answer is 1. And first question. And question 2 solve in same way, convert into using this identity. And question second, sin 25 degree into cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sin 65 degree. So sin 25 equal to sin 90 minus 65, and sin 90 minus 65, that means cos 65 and cos 65. Cos what 65 and plus cos 25 equal to sin 65 into sin 65, sin square 65. So cos square 65 plus sin square 65 equal to 1. And question 4, choose the correct answer, justify your answer. For question of 4, first 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. Since 9 common, so sec square a minus tan square a. So sec square a minus tan square a equal to, using this identity, 1. So 9 into 1 equal to 9. Your option is B. So next question 2, 3, 4 solve in same way. And see next question, question number 5. And your question 5th is, prove the identity cosec theta minus cot theta square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. LHS cosec theta minus cot theta square equal to cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, or cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta square. LCM sin theta LCM, so 1 minus cos theta square. Here also square. So 1 minus cos theta is written as 1 minus cos theta multiplied 2 times by sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, here a square minus b square, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta cancel. So remaining 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta RHS. Proved. So dear students, today's class is over and your homework is do exercise 8.4 question number 1 to 5 first. Thanks, have a nice day.